good. Number 7, pass break to number Kinira, no good. Number 11, outside. Binondo Aces team ball. Number 29, pass to number 1, Solis. Pass to number 7, Valenzuela, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 29 ang bola. Mahilong. Foul, number 16. First personal foul. Inbound, number 29, pass to number 7, Valenzuela. Pass to number 1. Hinangat, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 29, pass to number 8. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound. Number 16. Nakuha pa rin ni, foul. Number 7. Valenzuela, first personal foul.
Argentina versus Saudi. Pwede ka na po. Tumaya ako ng 200 yata yun.
Number 31. Hinangat for no good. Number 7, pass to number 1. Solid. Kinira, no good. Outside. Norte team ball. Number 11, pass to number 11, jump shot, no good. Double dribble. Binondo Aces team ball. Inbound, number 29, pass to number 7. Number 7, Valenzuela. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 8, jump shot, no good. Inbound, number 13, pass to number 10. Number 10, binababa ng bola. Number 10, dribble the ball. Same ball. Inbound, number 16. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 11. Jump shot, no good. Substitution, rep. Pasok po kayo, pasok. Pasok. Substitution, rep. Number 7, Valenzuela, binababa ang bola. Valenzuela, dribble the ball. Pass to number 29, Mahilo. Trying to shoot. Outside, same ball. 9 to shoot. Number 7, 5 to shoot. Robbery violation. Number 24, dribble the ball. Pass to number 16, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1. Foul. Number 13. Inbound, number 1, pass to number 7. Back to number 1. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11. 31. Pass to number 21, jump shot, No good. Number 10.
First foul.
First personal foul.
1-1. 1-1.
Number 7. Pass to number 23. Jump ball. Substitution rep.
Yeah, idol. Pandarin mo lang, idol.
Inbound number 22. Pass to number 24. Number 34, 24. Oh, outside. Binondo Aces team ball.
Kampanya yan eh, kampanya.
Remaining time is 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 2-3 in favor of Team Norte. Number 16 going down. Pass steal by number 8. Pass to number 29 Mahilom. No good. Nakuha ni number 24 bola. Pass to number 22. Jump shot, no good. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 16. Substitution, rep. Rebound. Number 1, pass to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 1. Naman for 2 points by number 1. Number 24. I-dribble ang bola. Number 24. Steal by number 7. Inbound. Number 31. Number 7, pass to number 8. Number 8, dribble the ball. Number 8, pass to number 1, back to number 8, jump shot for 2 points. Number 24, binaba na ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1. Kanino po yung coaching block? 4018. Yung BIOS po. Yung may-ari po ng BIOS na block, 4018, ang plate number. Pakiurong lang daw po.
Mamaya na.
Number 24, pass to number 22, no good. Substitution rep. Ayan. Inbound. Jump shot, no good. Number 20, Mendoza, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 7, pass steal by number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7, jump shot, no good. Foul. Number 30, 31. Look good. Pass break to number 1, kay number, no good. Number 24, Alejandro, pass to number 2. Inangat, foul, counter. Sub down. Substitution, rep.
Last foul, last foul. Last foul.
Sa lahat po ng sasab, lapit lang daw po kayo rito, kailangan nakangiti.
Rep, 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 rep. Last foul. Rep. Last foul.
No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 2 ang bola. Pass to number 19. Number 9, troubling violation. Substitution, rep. Hindi. Number 3, 30. Still by number 9. Pass to number 84. Jump shot. No good. Outside. That's 10 seconds. Number 13. Team 1. The end of the first quarter. Okay. Back to the ball game. Inbound. Okay, wait. Number 10, dribble the ball. Bitawan ng bola. Save ball. Inbound number 5. No good. Pass break. Okay, number 8 is steal by number 5. Pass to number 10. Daray. Pass to number 2. No good. Number 15. Pass to number 8. Nakapik pa ang bola. Pass balik kay number 8. Jump shot. 40 points. 2 points. 2 points. Number 10, Garay. Jump shot for 3 points. Number 30 is steal by number 31. Nakuha ni number 10, Garay. Back to number 31, layup. No good. Rebound by number 30. Nakuha ni number 8, back to number 30. Number 30, pass to number 15. Number 30, jump shot for 2 points. Number 2, dribble the ball. Number 31, 5 to shoot. Number 10, jump shot, no good. Rebound to number 15, pass to number 30, Sebois. Sebois dribble the ball. Jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul, number 30.
13. Shooter.
Number 10. One point.
Second foul yung number 10
Number 10, second personal foul. Number 31, oh, outside.
Stop.
Substitution. Mamaya na raw.
Kaya, sorry.
Number 30. Dribble the ball.
Tira mo.
Jump shot. No good. Rebound number 31. Pass to number 11. Bigyan up.
Dardeling. Traveling.
Troubling violation. Number 30.
Number 30, dribbling the ball. Pinasa sa number 9. Knockout.
Number 31, Agua. Bigyan number 31 for 2 points.
Nabigay. Saglit.
Amen.
Nabigay.
Number 8. Sinabahan ang ball. Fred. Dribble the ball. Number 8.
Ay, tama sa isa.
Pass to number 20. Naman. No good.
Sold out.
When number 10 ang ball at the right. Pass to number 31. Left. No good. Now only number 30. Sebois. Pass to number
Number 10 na.
Susan, number 10. Pass to number 31. Big shot. Jump shot. No good.
Timeout called by the Binondo 8.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Inbound. Number 7. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 1. Falling. Jump shot. No good. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. Jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 13. Foul. Not 31. Foul number 31. Not counted, ref.
Second foul.
Number 31, second personal foul. Number 12. 6 to shoot. Jump ball. Shot back. 14 points. Inbound number 7, pass to number 15. Pass to number 13. 13. Back to number 15. Guardino. Back to number 7. Shoot. Pass to number 31. Free to shoot. Number 7. Jump shot. Inbound number 12, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass brings to number 11. Number 11, back to number 16. Back to number 11, no shot, no good. And number 1. Number 1, take it up, foul, foul 10. Who's foul? Number 11.
Number 11. Foul.
Number 11, first personal foul. No good. Here contract. Number 15. Pass break to number 22. Avoid a foul. Number 1. Number 1.
Only one.
First personal foul. One point. Wala sa Kirang Pantro. Last one shot to Pantro. 1 point again. Inbound, number 11. Pass to number 7. Valenzuela. Pass to number 15, Guardino. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 22.
First foul.
First.
Number 22, first personal foul. No good.
Good.
No good again. Norton team ball. Pass break to number 16. Number 16. Foul. Number 87.
Number 7. Second.
Personal foul. Kalami. No good. No good again. Foul. Number 31.
Third foul.
Third personal foul.
Pasok na ba? Pasok na boss. Pasok na.
Subdivision rep. No good.
Maraming input kaso ano eh.
Plus 1 shot to Pantro.
Hindi ko alam kung
Bluetooth. Ayun yung kaya ko akala hindi lang may Bluetooth ko.
No good again.
Bluetooth at saka dongle.
On number 6, pass to number 1. Number 1 going down.
original naman.
Remaining time of 2 minutes and 27 seconds and score 16-14.
Oo, parang hindi lang
Favor of
alat sa bag.
Redondo Aces.
Oo, hindi lang alat.
Number 8, Brett for 2 points. Pass break to number 7. Ikaw na po. Wali number 8 ng Redondo Aces. Same ball. Substitution. Inbound number 8, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 6. Ako ng foul. Binondo Ace. Basketball game. Go. Okay, and down. Warning. Get down, number 1, pass to number 23. Back to number 7, back to number 1. Back to number 23, Haji, no good, get him fast. Number 1, for 2 points. Number 31, Padua, binawa ng bola. Padua, dribble the ball. Pass to number 24, jump shot, no good. Binondo Ace, team ball. Inbound, number 13, pass to number 7. Number 7, binawa ng bola. Pass to number 1. Really up. Ako ng foul. Who's foul?
Pati 37 sa'yo.
Number 31.
Sa second half, tatlo. Tatlo lang. Pero sa first half, dalawa. Ang gusto ng extra,
No
may
good. Last one shot to Patrick.
ano yun pag 1K?
May promo.
No good again. Rebound by number 6 steal by number, meron nakuha pa rin yung number 1 ng bola. Number 1 pass to number 7. Number 7 Valenzuela. No good. Rebound by number 2. Team Norte. Number 31. Take the ball. Pass to number 2. Iniran, no good. Rebound by number 7. Pass fake steal by number 31. Number 31, Padua. Jump shot. No good. Only number 2 ang bola. Outside, stay ball. Remaining shot back. 11 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Steal. Number 20, Team Norte. Pass to number 16, jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 7.
Third foul.
Number 7, Valenzuela, third personal foul. One point. Mula sa tirang Valkyrie. Last one chance to Valkyrie.
Okay. Pero yung inbound nyo, dun pa rin ha?
No good.
Yan!
5 seconds. No good. No good. The end of the second quarter.
Equipment in the industry. Span Asia has over 20,000 TEUs of internationally certified containers and is constantly acquiring new containers to handle the volume and ensure cargo quality and safety. In addition, we operate a modern hauling fleet, delivery fleet, and offer over 10,000 square meters of warehouse space. Span Asia provides its customers with 7 key services: port-to-port containerized cargo, door-to-door containerized cargo, break bulk and loose cargo handling, forwarding, less container load or LCL consolidation, rolling cargo shipments, and reefer containerized cargo. We have weekly shipping schedules, customer hotlines, and 14 branch offices in major cities. Span Asia is also undergoing a digital transformation throughout our company. We are moving towards building web booking systems to enable customers to book 24/7 and to access information in real time. We also partnered with Certica, which aims to improve vessel reliability and availability through timely maintenance cycles.
Number 13, February, pass to number 15, Gordino, pass to number 15, pass to number 16. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 13, pass to number 29, Mahiro, no good. Ang kailang isa. Number 10, bola, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 7. You get number no good. Number 15, Gordino, pass to number 16. Pass to number 29, pass to number 16. Congratulations! Substitution, man. Okay, inbound, number 10, pass to number 19. Number 19, play with the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7, make shot. Outside, stable. You're down, number 2, passes to number 7. Pinila, nakakulang foul.
First foul.
Number 29.
First.
First personal foul. 1 point. Wala sa Pirang Padro. That's 1 shot to Padro. No good. Only number 13, Binondo Aces team. Number 13, Sergio. Still, number 0, foul. Number 18. Substitution, ref. Inbound. Number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 2. Jump shot. No good. Only number 7 ang bola. Steal by number 1. Ang Binondo Aces team. Number 1. Solid. And up top, Pinila. No good. Nakuli number 8. Jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 13. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 10. Oh, outside. Binondo Aces 3 ball. Inbound, number 13. Pass to number 15, Guardino. Guardino. Pass to number 13. Sergio. Pass to number walang foul.
Second foul, number 13.
Second personal foul. Number 1, Solly. One point. Last 0 Quadra. Last one chance to Quadra. No good. Team Georgia ball. Back up. It down, number 5. Pass to number 19. Number 19, dribble ang ball. Number 19, dribble the ball. Pass to number 31. Pass by Joe Shat. No good. Rebound by number 30, step 1. Step 1 pa rin, tinira. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Dribble the ball. Back to number Robin violation. Remaining time as 6 minutes and 43 seconds. The score is 16-21 in favor of the Nodo Aces. Number 29 Mahilo, back to number 13. Number 13, back to number 29, back to number 8. Number 8, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Only number 30 ang bola plus number 1. Number 1 binaban ang bola. Solid. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 8. Rolling. Violation. Substitution, red. Pasok. Inbound, number 11. Pass to number 19. Number 19, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7, low. For 2 points. Number 1. Binaban ang bola. Pass to number 8. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11, pass to number 5. Number 5 is killed by number 1. Another aces here. Number 1. Pinila. What a foul. Number 7. First personal foul.
Legoy!
Kasama mga Angels.
Good down, number 8. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Tinaman. Nakuha ng foul. Number 5.
First foul.
Number 5, first personal foul.
Oh, kailan nabigay na?
Okay.
Pangalawa pag pumasok.
1 point. Wala sa tirang Padre. Last one chance to Padre.
Sub.
1 point again. Substitution, Brad.
23, pumalit Haji. Alejandro yan.
Inbound, number 31, pass to number 19. Number 19, dribble the ball.
Time out ko isa.
Number 19, Tinira, no good. Away number 31, number 31, Inaman. With a foul.
Bibigin.
Number 3, timeout. Team Norte.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37. Our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel and Span Asia 53. Powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
No good. Last one shot. Pancho. No good again. Bola na ng Binondo Aces. Inbound number 1. Number 1, pass to number 30. Binigay ka number 6, back to number 1. Number 1, jump shot for 2 points. Number 24, pass to number 11. Number 11, no good. Rebound by number 6, pass to number 1. Solis. Solis, dribble the ball. 5 to shoot. Oh, offensive foul. Substitution rep.
First foul.
First personal foul. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 24. Number 24, dribble the ball. Pass to number for 2 points. Number 1, pass to number 30. Number 30, Sebon, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Number 24. Pinira, foul, counter. Timeout. Binondo Aces team. Pasok lang.
Bonus na, bonus! Oh!
No kick. Nakuha ni number 11, pass to number 24, no good. Ang tirang spot, nakuha pa rin number 24, pass to number 31. Number 31, dribble the ball. Inangat, no good again. Oh, foul. Number 24.
First foul.
Number 24, first personal foul. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Pinasa kay number 1, Solis. Solis, pass to number 8, Fred. Jump shot, no good. Now ni number 11. Number 11, dribble the ball. Remaining time, that's 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Score 22-25. In favor of Binondo Aces team. Nabuta, nakuha ng Binondo Aces team ang bola. Pass break to number 6. Number 6 for 2 points. Inbound, number 31, pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 16. Kalapi. Jump shot, blocked by number 7. Winning number 6 ang bola. Steal by number 31. Number 31, pass to number 16. Hinangan, no good. Nawali number 24 ang bola ng Norte Team. Jump shot, no good. Time out now. Time out. Binondo Aces.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Inbound, number 7. Pass. Sumobra. Nakuha ng Norte Team ang bola. Number 10, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 7 of the Binondo Aces team. Pass to number 31. Number 31, Caparas. Pass to number 18. Back to number 31, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 31 ang bola. Yeah, no good. Norte Team by number 2. Pass to number 10. No good. Ipon pa rin yung number 2 ang bola. Same ball. Number 31, tap in. Inbound. Shot, no good. Follow up, no good. 11 again. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 13. Number 18. Second personnel foul. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point. Last attempt of Paltrow. Inbound, number 6, pass to number 7. Number 7, steal by number 2, Norte Team. Steal, number 7. Steal, number 18, Tenila for 2 points. Nakuha pa rin ni number 19 na bola, Tenila. No good. Follow up for 2 points. Oh, still na naman. Nakuha ni number 7. Pass to number 2 points. 7 seconds. Still number 10. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 31. Caparas. The end of the first quarter.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Number 11, pass to number 10, jump shot, no good. Nakakuha na ni number 30 ang bola, Sebwa. Diniretso na, no good. Nakakuha ni number 19, Team Norte. Number 19,
Dalawa lang. Bawas na lang.
number 10, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Foul, number 10. The score 29-27 in favor of Team Norte. Netball. Number 19, jump shot. 4-3 point. Rebound number 29, pass to number 30. Number 30, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 15, Fortino. Pass to number 1, Solis, jump shot. No good. Still, number 29, inangat. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Third personal foul. One point. Mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. Ay. Pass to number 10. Number 10, troubling violation.
Dalawa, boss. Ito, dalawa.
Number 15, pass to number 30, Sebwa, jump shot for 3 points. Number 10, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 13, pass to number 11. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 8. First personal foul.
14 lang, 14.
Number 11, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 20. Still by number 19. Number 19. Foul. Number 15. Fortino, first personal foul. One point. Last appearance, Patrol. Last one shot to Patrol. What's up? 1 point again. Inbound, number 1. Team Norte, Team Norte ball. Substitution. Inbound, number 10. Pass to number 19, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 29, Mahilo. Pass to number 1, Solis. Solis, binaba ng bola. Tinira, nakakuha ng foul. Number 19.
First foul.
First personal foul. Sub, mamaya naman. One point. Last one shot to Pantro. 1 point again. And a substitution, Red. Inbound, number 11. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Dribble the ball. Tawa ng bola. Nakuha ni number 11. Pass to number 10. Back to number 11. 10 to shoot. Troubling violation. Inbound, number 1, Solis. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Sebwa. Dribble the ball. Sebwa. Tinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 1, Solis. 10 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 8, Fred. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 15, Cordino. No good. Number 1 for 2 points. Labang na ulit ang Binondo Aces ng isa. Number 19. Back to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 20. Jump shot. No good. Number 22. Jump shot. No good. Number 10 for 2 points. Number 30, Sebwa. Sebwa dribble the ball. He's steal. Nakuha ni number 22. Pass to number 11. Number 10. Foul. Substitution. Ref. Timeout Team Norte. Back to the ball game. Inbound, number 31. Pass to number 10. Number 10, back to number 31. Inamat, no good. Rebound by number 6, pass to number 1, Solis. Solis. Diniretso na, nakakuha ng foul. Ay, number 13. Number 13, warning to foul out. Medic. Medic daw. Kailangan daw po ng medic? Ma'am? Ma'am ganda? Ang ganda ng medic? First aid kit daw po. Ayan, ang ganda ng medic natin. Okay, back to the ball game. One point, mula sa tirang Paltram. Last one shot to Paltram. One point again. Remaining time, last 10, 37 seconds, score 36-37. in favor of Binondo Aces team. Number 31, Padua, pass to number 10. Number 10, jump shot, no good. Going in number 13, foul, counter. Foul number 8.
Trapping!
Number 8, second personal foul. One shot to Pantro.
Padua!
No good. Rebound by number 31. Pass to number 11, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ng number 31 ang bola. Nabitawan at nakuha niya pa rin.
Single.
Hey!
3 seconds, violation. Inbound number 7, pass to number 1, Solis. Solis, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 7, Valenzuela, dribble the ball. Turn the shoot. 3 seconds, violation, substitution, ref. Substitution. Okay, inbound. Number 31, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 13, jump shot, no good. When number 7 ang bola, Valenzuela pass to number 1. Number 1, Solis, diniretso na. Tinira, no good. Rebound by number 13, pass to number 11, pass to number 31, nabitawan. Outside, Binondo Aces, team ball.
Sa dala tayo coach ko.
Number 10, pass to number 11. Libre, no good. Nakuha ni Cebu ang bola, number 30. Pass to number 1, Solis. Tinira for 2 points. Warning for delaying the game. Dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 6, pass to number 1. Number 1, Solid. Wala pa. Number 30, pass to number 6. Number 6, foul. Number 10. Number 10, warning to foul out. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 15 seconds, is scored 38-39. Labang pa rin ang Binondo Aces. Labang pa rin ang isa. No good. Last 1 shot to Pantra. No good again. Nakakuha na ng Binondo Aces pa rin. Kahit number 30, pass number 1, Solis, inaman. No good. Outside. Same ball. Substitution, rep.
Substitution. Inbound.
Number 23, pass to number 7. Number 7 is still by number 30th. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. No good. Number 30, Sebra. Pass to number 1, Solis. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ng yun. Number 31, ng Team Norte. Pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Rebound pa rin ang Team Norte. Number 24, Alejandro. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Only number 6, the Binondo Aces team. Pass to number 1, Solis.
Sir Scott.
Number 1, Solis. 10 to shoot. Number 7, 5 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Pass break to number 7. No good. Only number 30 ang bola. Seba. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Remaining time, last 42 seconds. Last 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. Number 7, Valenzuela. No good. Last 27 seconds. Foul. Who's foul? Number 23. 14 pound. Running to penalty. Timeout Team Norte. Okay, inbound. Number 11, pass to number 31. Remaining time, last 23 seconds. Number 7, 10 to shoot. Save ball.
9 to shoot, 9 to shoot.
Last shot clock. 9 to shoot. Last 9 to shoot. Remaining shot clock, 9 to shoot. Number 19, nakakuha ng foul. Number 6. Number 6.
Deadlock na yan, 40 seconds. 44.
Habol pa.
Ayaw na mag-40.
No good.
So, isa lang.
Last one shot to Paltrow.
Son!
Remaining time was 18 seconds. Score 38-39. 1 point. Mula sa tiro ang Paltrow. All 39. Wala na time. Wala na pong timeout ang Binondo Aces team. Sorry. Wala na pong timeout. Pinaliwanag ko na kanina. Outside. Substitution. Substitution.
Son! Son!
Both team, wala na pong timeout.
Hey, silang! Silang!
Number 11. Sumalaksa. Pinasa kay number 19, tinira. Follow up. No good. Follow up na. Pass break to number 1, Solis. Jump shot. All 39. Overtime. tag-isang time out. Tag-isa lang po ang time out ninyo. Number 1, pass to number 30, jump shot, no good. Outside. Team Norte ball. Number 19, pass to number 5. Back to number 19. Number 10, to right, jump shot for 2 points. Number 1, Solis, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Inbound. Number 24, pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 10. Number 10, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 23, pass to number 8, Fred. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 20. Number 20, no good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 30. Troubling violation. Number 30, Sebua, going down. Okay naman. Number 1, Solis, no good. Rebound by number 22, 83. Number 10, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 19, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1, Solis. Pass break to number 30. No good. Outside. Simple. Substitution, rep. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Number 24, tap in. Tap in po tayo, number 24. Inbound, number 30, pass to number 23, Haji. Pass to number 1, Solis. Solis, dribble the ball. Last 2 minutes. For 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Number 24, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 31, Padua. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 7, pass to number 1. Number 1, Solis. Pass back to number 7. Pass to number 30, Sebua. Remaining time is 1 minute and 27 seconds. Score all 41. No good. Tirang is back. Running number 24 ang bola. Number 31, Padua. Pass to number 11, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 23, Haji. Pass to number 6. 6 ba yan? Number 30. Pass to number 1, Solis. Back to number 30, jump shot. No good. One in number 13, pass to number 11. Pass to number 31, Padua, dribble the ball. Number 24, binigay kay number 22 for 2 points. Remaining time, last 44 seconds. Number 1, Solis, dribble the ball. Solis. Naubos ang oras. 10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to
Nakakuha ng foul. Substitution ref. Substitution.
Third foul number 11.
Substitution ref. Remaining time, last 30 seconds. 1 point mula sa Tirang Paltrow, plus 1 shot to Paltrow. One point again. All 43. Number 10. Pass to number 24. Number 20. Number 20. No good. Foul. Remaining time last 16 seconds. Number 17. Number 6.
Richard, tawin mo yung tawin mo yung Solis. Richard, tawin mo.
No good.
Kasawain mo yung Solis. Solis, tawin mo yung Solis. Yun!
Still the number 11. Number 11.
Pasa na!
Sumalak na pero binigay kay number 13. Inahan! Foul!
Fourth foul number.
Number 7, warning to foul out. Time out! Team Norte!
Walang bayad yung timeout, ginamit namin. Para mapahinga ka lang. Pinahinga mo pa, nag-iinit na nga eh. Kainit na eh, pinahinga mo pa.
Wala na po ang time out ang Team Norte.
Again, nawalan.
Pero ang Binondo Aces, meron pa po kayong isang time out. Back to normal game. Ipinapaalala ko sa inyo, isa na lang ang timeout ninyo. Binondo Aces. One point mula sa Tirang Paltrow ni number 13, plus 1 shot to Paltrow.
Papas break ka!
Time out! Binondo Aces team.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation.
Both teams is nasa penalty situation. Tingnan natin ang mangyayari.
Inbound number 13, pass to number 1, Solly.
Hawak na ngayon ni Solis ang bola. Solis tinira malayo. No good. Rebound by number 29. Pinasa kay number 8. Tumira ng 3.